Hi, I'm King 5 meteorologist Rich Merritt here with the King 5 Plus forecast. And well, we wrapped up the weekend in pretty good shape. We had a nice sunny afternoon. Didn't quite make our normal highs. We only hit 67 out of the airport, but that's only 2 degrees short. And it was really a nice afternoon to be out and about. And significantly, tonight, our sunset at 9 o'clock. It's our first sunset after 9 o'clock for this year. So definitely getting towards that summer solstice. And those late sunsets are almost at their maximum now. So 18 days until we get to the summer solstice, and sunset on the solstice will only be 9:10, so we're only 10 minutes away from our latest sunset, and a lot of evening hours out there. We're getting close to that 16 hours of daylight that everybody looks forward to so much. We're in the depths of winter. Taking a look at the Bellingham Tower cam, we did have some clouds moving through there earlier today, just some high clouds. Those have moved on out. A lot of blue sky and blue water out there, and seagulls around this morning. Checking the Queen Anne Tower cam again, this is around mid-morning. You can see the band of clouds that was moving through earlier back behind Mount Rainier. In fact, from our Tacoma camera, you can see it a little bit closer, but see it's just about at 14,000 feet for the base of those clouds. So definitely high clouds and associated with a little system moving through BC, and now those are going to move out of the way and leave us with plenty of sunshine as we head towards this afternoon. Out along the coast there, we've had some low clouds off the coast, some marine air, but you can see a little bit of sun trying to break through right there along the shore, and should be a decent day out there. Temperatures at Westport probably getting up into the low 60s this afternoon. Not too bad for right on the Pacific. Our first alert 7-day forecast, you can see lots of sunshine in it all the way through next weekend. Temperatures warm a little here in the next few days and kind of hold steady in the upper 60s and low to mid 70s through the end of the work week, and then we warm a bit as we get into the weekend. Over the last several nights, we've had a lot of pictures of the northern lights sent in by viewers, and still another opportunity headed our way tonight. The geomagnetic storm that drives these has been weakening, though, so not going to be quite as spectacular a display tonight as what we saw last night or on Saturday night, but still a possibility if you can make it out. This little thin red line right there is the southern extent of where you might be able to see the aurora, and it just passes through northern Oregon. So still an opportunity if you've got a good dark northern sky, which is a problem this time of the year because we're so close to the solstice that we have twilight on that northern horizon until about 11 o'clock at night, and then the light starts to come back around 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. So you only have a small window where you actually have dark skies that you could see the aurora. Take a look at the satellite image. See, as we get to daylight and we see the visible satellite image, you see this big arc of clouds right here. That's a big area of high pressure that's building out in the Pacific and building up into the Gulf of Alaska. That is going to be forcing systems to move up over the top of it. This is one right here. It'll move up over the top. That's going to weaken it, and then it's going to move into British Columbia, just barely brush us as it goes by. The effect of that is going to be as we head towards later tomorrow on into Wednesday, we're going to get a little bit stronger onshore wind, and with that, we'll probably see some morning clouds Wednesday, and still back to more sunshine headed away. About all we're expecting out of these systems is to change the amount of cloudiness we have, but overall it's going to keep us in a sunny and mild pattern all the way into the weekend. Take a look at the mountains right now. We've got the clouds still moving out of there. Cloudy skies around Stevens Pass. You can see those clouds starting to break out a little bit up at Mount Rainier there at Paradise. And if you're planning on doing some hiking today, well, pretty good shape. You can see those temperatures this afternoon at the highway pass level, so 3,000 to 4,000 feet. Stevens and Snoqualmie passes, you're going to be looking for temperatures pushing the 60-degree mark. Pretty nice hiking weather. In fact, tomorrow also looking like a good hiking day for everybody that can get the day off. We're going to be up into the low 60s at the passes, so we can get out and enjoy it. Plus, you have the late sunset, so you can take a little bit more time on the trail and get back at 9 o'clock and still have light on the trail, which is nice. Take a look at the temperatures down in the lowlands for today. We're going to be looking for temperatures generally in the mid-60s Everett northward and the low to maybe some mid-70s once you get Seattle southward. We'll see tomorrow warm up a little bit with more mid-70s, it looks like, south to Seattle, and then upper 60s to the north. Then as we head into Wednesday, we are going to see those morning clouds kind of move in. Those are going to cool our temperatures back just a little bit, maybe by a few degrees on Wednesday, but we do rebound as we head into Thursday. Should see those temperatures back up into the mid to upper 70s as we approach the weekend. And then over the weekend, we're going to be seeing temperatures on Saturday into the mid to upper 70s, and then into the upper 70s and low 80s on Sunday. Those 6 to 10 day temperatures indicate that we'll wrap up the weekend and start next week with temperatures in the upper 70s and possibly low to mid 80s, but then we cool right back down again towards the end of the weekend to the more comfortable for some of us low to mid 70s.